Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video I want to go over the top stocks that I'm watching for this week. So just a reminder to subscribe. We are almost at 2,000 subscribers, and we are going to be hitting 2,000 subscribers by the end of this month. So make sure to subscribe as well as follow me on Twitter. So the first stock that I'm watching is ARK, and I am currently swinging this. As you guys know, ARK is a ETF, and the top stocks in the ETF are actually SQ, Tesla, and ROKU. And the next stock that I'm actually watching is SQ, which is Square. Now they also have earnings on August 5th, but what I'm loving about this setup is we have this nice symmetrical triangle, and I'm looking at the support if we dip tomorrow, because futures are bloody right now. So I'm looking at to set a alert right over here around 256. I'll be buying some calls, 2-3 week expirations to play the earnings run up if we dip right over here on the support. And the next stock that I'm actually watching is ROKU. Now we have actually played ROKU, but it's looking like we're about to hit the price target. Our actual price target is 483. As you guys know, I've made a whole video on ROKU, and we have sniped ROKU at 400. So we caught over a 22% move just on stocks. 22%, that is huge. And our Discord alert went well over 300%. So I'm looking tomorrow that we test this support right over here, 470, and this is a major support that I am personally looking to get back in. If we dip below this 470 support, I'm looking to hold this and ride it up to 480. Keep in mind that the stop loss is closed below this support, so close below 470 is our cut price. So overall this looks very nice. We had a real nice close on ROKU, huge green candle, and overall I am loving this setup. I've made already a whole video on it, and we caught a huge move, a massive move on ROKU. The next stock that I am watching right now is AMD, and AMD is a huge one. AMD as well as Nvidia for earnings run up, because with the GPU and the CPU demand, I think earnings are going to be huge for both AMD and Nvidia. Now the thing about AMD is we have a nice cup and handle over here. Right over here we broke out of this falling wedge, then we have these two price targets right over here. So for AMD, we actually have earnings on July 27th, so on Tuesday. I'm looking to buy calls around openish, because this will actually be a earnings run up play, because we have earnings on Tuesday for AMD, and so that's kind of like a 2-day swing play. So curious to see how earnings go for AMD. The setup is very nice. Our price target is 95 and then 100, which is our main price target. And then another play that I'm actually looking at is healthcare. As you guys know, I've made a whole video on healthcare, PFE, and they absolutely crushed it. We saw PFE, we sniped PFE at 40, and it's sitting at 42, right now. And I'm actually looking at UNH, which is United Health Care, and United Health Group Incorporated. So what we have is we have this nice inverse head and shoulder right over here. We have this breakout, and then we have the price target right at 425. This is a slow moving stock, as you guys can see. So for options, it's actually a pretty bad play, because options are kind of weird for UNH as well as spreads. So I do not recommend to do spreads on UNH. What I'm watching is actually Guild. Guild is still setting up, and I'm still looking to enter in for Guild. We have this nice ascending triangle, we have this cup and handle, and everything just looks great. If you look at the weekly, it just looks really nice and amazing. And then we have earnings on July 29th, and again earnings, they're always a gamble, so don't try to play earnings. The next stock that I am actually looking at is EA. Okay, electronics art. Now what I like about the setup is if we look at the weekly or even the monthly, we have this nice ascending triangle, and we have this nice cup and handle. And I'm loving the setup after earnings because this is a huge breakout. We're talking about a breakout since 2018. We have been forming this consolidation patterns for 2 years, so this could be a really nice play for leaps. If you guys are looking for leaps, this is not a bad play. Keep in mind why 2018, because we had the battle royale hype right around over here, and major gaming companies actually took a hit 2018. So if you actually look at Activision Blizzard right over here, that 2018 level, Activision Blizzard actually had a cup and handle, and they broke out of the cup and handle because we had a huge catalyst on the new Call of Duty, which was coming around Christmas. And if we actually look at Activision daily, we have this nice downtrend breakout for Activision. So both EA and Activision Blizzard are on high watch for this week, and I think they could be not a bad run up for Christmas, because keep in mind Christmas is in a couple months. So if you want to grab in some leaps, I would recommend EA, and I am looking to alert EA. So overall, very simple watch list for this week. I'm also looking at IWM, which is the small caps. Obviously, we had a real nice close on IWM. Keep in mind that this is also a very nice swing play. Okay, this is a very nice swing play. So overall, very simple video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers. Our goal is 10,000 by the end of the year. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.